Good morning, class. As you know, we were discussing about the resources and their types. In the very first video, we've seen the introduction of resources. What are resources? Then we've seen the values of resources. Okay, there are four types of values of resources we have seen. That is legal value, aesthetic value, ethical value, and economic value. After that, we have seen types of resources. In fact, still we are continuing the types of resources. So, first of all, we have seen classification on the basis of origin. Okay. So, on the basis of origin, we have divided the resource into three major groups: natural resource, human resource, and man-made resources. Okay, after that we have seen classification based on renewability. On the basis of this, we have divided the resources into two parts: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Then on the basis of renewability, we have divided or classified the resources into two parts, that is biotic and abiotic resources. All these things we have discussed till now. I hope all will be clear to you. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss about the classification of resources on the basis of their यूटिलिटी. ओके बेटा, यूटिलिटी के बेस पे रिसोर्सेज के कौन कौन से क्लासिफिकेशन होते हैं. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूटिलिटी वी कैन क्लासिफाइड द रिसोर्सेज इनटू थ्री पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज रॉ मटेरियल्स, सेकेंड इज फूड, एंड थर्ड वन इज एनर्जी. ओके, सो I think you all are well aware of the raw materials. What are the raw materials? Okay. So, raw materials are the materials used for making other things, such as iron, coal, and limestone are obtained from the earth and are used as raw material in various industries. Silk, wool, hide, furs, and ivory are obtained from animals and are used in manufacturing different articles. Similarly, agricultural raw materials are cotton, oilseeds, rubber, tobacco, sugarcane, which are used for manufacturing a variety of things. Okay, beta. So, simply raw material is the material which is used or which is converted into finished goods. Okay. In next chapters we will discuss about the factories. So, all the factories required raw material to make the finished goods. Without raw material we cannot make any finished goods or final goods. Clear beta? So these are some example. It is very common thing, so I am not going into detail of it. Okay, second classification is food. You all are well aware of the food. What is food? So we can say food is the basic need of human being. Without food we cannot survive. Okay, so from where we get the food? Just think over it. From where we can find out the food? So food is obtained from plants and animals, such as cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, beverages, milk, dairy products, etc. Okay, beta? You know it very well from where we can obtain our food. Third is energy. You have studied in science what is energy. There are different types of energy. So, energy is the basis of all types of agricultural and industrial development. It requires in all the sector of the economy. Okay, if you want to grow the economy, in that case you should have sufficient or high level of energy. Okay beta, some examples are also given. These are the factories you can see in the picture. One is coal mine, second one is petroleum industry. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask.